Hey guys! Welcome back to the Civil Insight. Today we are going to watch about the top upcoming mega projects in India which are going to play a major role in the development of our nation. Basically, the mega project are the projects that cost more than $1 billion and attract a large amount of public attention because of substantial impacts on communities, environment, and budgets. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first project of this list is Sagarmala Project. Sagarmala program is an initiative by the Government of India to enhance the performance of the country's logistics sector. The program envisages unlocking the potential of waterways and the coastline to minimize infrastructural investments required to meet these targets. It entails investing 8.5 trillion, 2018, to set up new megaports, modernizing India's existing ports, developing of 14 coastal economic zones and coastal employment units, enhancing port connectivity via road, rail, multimodal logistics parks, pipelines and waterways, and promoting coastal community development, with the aim of boosting merchandise exports by $110 billion and generating around 10 million direct and indirect jobs. The background of this project was originally mooted by the National Democratic Alliance, India, government under Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 2003 as the maritime equivalent to the Golden Quadrilateral, another project under his government in the roads and highways sector. The program aimed to exploit India's vast coastlines and industrial waterways to drive industrial development. It was approved by the Cabinet in March 2015. Under Sagarmala program, 577 projects, at an estimated investment of approximately 8.57 lakh crore, $120 billion, have been identified across port modernization and new port development, port connectivity enhancement, port-linked coastal economic zone industrialization and coastal community development for phase-wise implementation over the period 2015 to 2035. As per the approved implementation plan of Sagarmala scheme, these projects are to be taken up by the relevant central ministries/agencies and state governments, preferably through private/PPP mode. Bharatmala Pariyojana. The development of any nation depends on the transportation networks and the ways in which they are being maintained. The same holds true for the development of a huge and populous nation like India. For connecting the areas and maintaining smooth flow of traffic, the construction of new and developed roads are a must. The same will be achieved with the implementation of the Bharatmala project. Under the scheme, a host of new roads will be laid down in the nation. This project will interconnect 550 district headquarters, from current 300, through a minimum 4-lane highway by raising the number of corridors to 50, from current 6, and move 70 to 80% freight traffic, 40% currently, to national highways by interconnecting 24 logistics parks, 66 intercorridors, 116 feeder routes and 7 northeast multimodal waterway ports. The ambitious umbrella program will subsume all existing highway projects including the flagship National Highways Development Project, NHDP, launched by the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government in 1998. The announcement of the mammoth scheme was done by Shri Nitin Gadkari, in the presence of the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने स्वर्णमय चतुर्भुज योजना की शुरुआत की थी और उसी में आगे जाकर आज भारतमाला ये हमारी भव्य योजना का शुभारंभ हो रहा है। ये 34,500 किलोमीटर की रोड लेंथ के लिए हम 5,35,000 करोड़ रुपए खर्चा करने जा रहे हैं और करीब हमने 25,000 किलोमीटर के डीपीआर बनाने की शुरुआत की है और हम ये पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि आने वाले 2 साल में इन सब रोड के कार्य का शुभारंभ करने की पूरी कोशिश हमारे विभाग की ओर से होगी, जो देश की तस्वीर बदलेगी, देश के रोड सेक्टर को बदलेगी और ये भव्य रोड की शुरुआत भारतमाला के अंतर्गत प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में ये शुरुआत होना, ये देश के लिए एक अनमोल भेंट।
The implementation of a pan-nation scheme to improve the road network was the idea of the PM Narendra Modi. All key aspects of the scheme will be managed by the Road Transport and Highways Ministry of the country.
विश्वास है कि राष्ट्र को सशक्त बनाने में, राष्ट्र को समृद्ध बनाने में, राष्ट्र को गतिशील बनाने में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अहम भूमिका अदा करता है। जैसे शरीर की मजबूती का कारण शरीर की नसों का रोल है, वैसे ही राष्ट्र की मजबूती का आधार इस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पर है, रोड नेटवर्क।
India is officially getting serious about the Hyperloop. The Maharashtra government gave the final nod for constructing a Hyperloop between India's financial capital Mumbai and Pune, which is 200 kilometers away. The authorities have tagged it a public infrastructure project much like roads, bridges, and railways, setting it up to be the first Hyperloop project in the world, the makers claim. A Hyperloop is an ultra-high-speed ground transportation system akin to bullet trains. The Mumbai-Pune Hyperloop is expected to slash the 3.5-hour travel time between the two cities to 35 minutes, according to the press release. This is history in the making. The race is on to host the first Hyperloop transportation system in the world, and the announcement puts India firmly in the lead, said Jay Valder, CEO of the American transport tech firm Virgin Hyperloop One, which will be constructing the route between Mumbai and Pune.
First system that's going to be built in India, see exactly what he's going to get for that. I was really impressed with the whole delegation's ability to want to push this project forward and do it very fast, and their commitment after seeing the technology and showing how quickly we built the technology here in Nevada, understanding how we can do that inside of India, and they are trying to find ways to help us do that even faster than we ever thought possible.
This is a significant milestone and the first of many important steps toward bringing Hyperloop to the masses. Already, there are around 75 million passenger journeys between Mumbai and Pune annually. By 2026, this figure is expected to skyrocket to 130 million. The transport system aims to undertake 150 million passenger trips annually, along with ferrying lightweight cargo units between Mumbai Port and Pune. The Chenab Bridge is an Indian Railway steel and concrete arch bridge under construction between Bakal and Kauri in the Raisai district of Jammu and Kashmir in India. When completed, the bridge will span the Chenab River at a height of 359 meter, 1,178 feet, above the river, which is higher than an Eiffel Tower, making it the world's highest rail bridge. In November 2017, the base supports were declared completed, allowing for the start of the construction of the main arch. Northern Railway has undertaken the mega-project of constructing a new railway line across the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir between the towns of Udhampur near Jammu and Baramulla on the northwestern edge of the Kashmir Valley. This project was declared a national project in 2002. The Chenab Bridge was originally intended to be completed in December 2009. However, in September 2008 the project was halted due to fears over the bridge's stability and safety. Work on the bridge restarted in 2010 with the plan to complete it in 2015. The construction was awarded to Afghans Infrastructure Limited, a part of the Shapurji Palanji Group, the third largest construction group in India. The erection scheme for the bridge is a project in itself. Two pylons, about 130 meter and 100 meter high, were erected on either side of the river, and two auxiliary self-propelled cable cranes, capacity of 80 ton each, were used to tow temporary auxiliary ropes across these pylons. The ropes were used to support the partly finished arch parts. After arch completion, the trusses will be added. Finally, the girder will be constructed as a horizontal sliding type platform. Navi Mumbai International Airport, NMIA, is an under-construction greenfield international airport being built at Ulvi-Koparpunvel in Maharashtra, India. It will be the second international airport for the Mumbai metropolitan region, functioning alongside Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, CSIA, as India's first urban multi-airport system. The first phase of the airport will be able to handle 20 million passengers per annum. The airport will be expanded to its final capacity to handle more than 90 million passengers per annum. Texas-based Jacobs Engineering Group will chart the final master plan for the airport, while the Airport Passenger Terminal and Air Traffic Control, ATC, tower will be designed by London-based Zaha Hadid Architects. The project was first conceived in November 1997 when the Ministry of Civil Aviation, MoCA, constituted a committee to examine the various sites for a second airport for Mumbai. The committee recommended a site at Mandwe, Revaz in June 2000, since the proposed airport was to have a single runway. In September that year, CIDCO revised the original proposal to provide for a pair of parallel runways and submitted its feasibility report to the MoCA. AAI's subcommittee that examined the Navi Mumbai site found it technically and operationally feasible and suggested that CIDCO carry out a detailed techno-economic feasibility study, TEFS, of the project. The $160 billion, $2.2 billion, project is being executed by Navi Mumbai International Airport Limited, MEAL, a special-purpose entity formed by the GVK Group and City and Industrial Development Corporation, CIDCO, which will hold 74% and 26% equity shares of MEAL respectively. CIDCO is the nodal government agency for the project, which will be built through public-private partnership on a design, build, finance, operate and transfer basis. The airport covers an area of 1,160 hectares, 4.5 square miles. The Navi Mumbai International Airport is expected to be operational in 2023.
Wow.